All right, welcome everybody. This is Ken Miner. I'm Director of Sales for Haibike USA, and we're here at 2017 Interbike in Las Vegas. Last one here before we head off to Reno for next year, but I want to go through a little bit of the Haibike lineup and what we have going on this year. We've got some pretty exciting changes, some new additions, and I think the first thing to talk about is how we've changed our nomenclature from Xduro and Sduro. So we like to think of, in the past, Xduro using our Bosch system and Sduro using our Yamaha system, but now we've moved it to a geometry-based program. So Xduro, which is our extreme race-ready type bike, uses both Yamaha and Bosch, but it will be for that professional hardcore rider. Sduro is now our sporty version. Again, we'll have Bosch and Yamaha motors in those, but it'll be a little more upright, a little more comfortable, a little more for that everyday rider. And it's going to be really exciting to have these new price points and these new designations. So that's kind of the big change we have here, but I'd like to show you some of the others we have going on. If we come over here and look at our Sduro Full 7, this is our new in-tube battery that we use from Bosch. So this particular model, 120 millimeters travel, full 7, plus size tires, 500 watt-hour battery that fits inside the down tube. Very simple key to take it out. It pops out off the bottom, uses the Bosch CX line. The other feature with this now is our rail system right along the top. So you can remove this rubber gasket and trim it the way you want and add water bottle cages. You can add locks to the bike. You can add an extra battery to it if it's one of our commuters. So that'll give you up to 1,000 watt hours of battery life by combining those batteries. So very excited about this one coming out later this year.
And that'll be only for the commuters?
The extra battery will be only for the commuters, yeah. We have 4 different models of this coming out. We've got an Enduro at 180 mil travel. We have all mountain at 150 mil travel. Of course, the full 7 at 120 mil travel, and then the trekking bike. So 4 different models. Going on the lines of our women's specific geometry, so it's our full life. This is the long travel, so it's 150 mil travel, full 7. We're using the Bosch CX motor again on this, and we're using the step-in battery system that you're used to seeing from Haibike. The new Sun Tour forks on here come with their integrated front fender and frame protector. And so we're really excited about the color. What you will notice is all of our bikes come with a number associated with them. So all 7.5s will have a similar paint scheme. All 8.0s will have a similar paint scheme. Really quick, back to this one, the 9.0s will have this sort of design to it. One thing we're really excited about in the commuter market is our new Urban Tour. Our Radius Tour. This is our new 20-inch bike. Fantastic for the small apartment in the city. 20-inch, 20-mile-an-hour Yamaha motor, 400 watt-hour battery for the smaller commutes around town. Some of the features we've added in here are pedals that fold up so that you can get this against the wall. We also have a very nice little quick release on the handlebars so that it fits nicely against your wall in the apartment. So we have other models coming in. Again, we are always rich in models, and we have about 62 different ones here. But this is really highlighting what we have going on the Sduro side. And you can see what we're doing now with the Xduro side. You're going to have all the bells and whistles on these extreme bikes, a little bit better angles on the bigger travel bikes, Kashima-coated forks, of course, and your Yamaha system coming in on these higher-end bikes. So this is a $6,400 bike. Uses a PWX motor actually this time, so this is new for the US market. So the PWX has a little bit higher torque value, still running at 400 watt motor peak output, but we're really excited about having that in here. New chainstay protectors for a good look, but again, if you look at the 10.0 models across the line, they will have this style. Moving over here, I want to talk really quickly about Bike of the Year. We were lucky enough to win this from the Interbike guys, and we got the All Mountain 8.0 comes in at $5,000 with a new PWX motor again, plus size tires. This is a phenomenal bike to ride. I think one of the nice parts about e-bikes in general and e-mountain bikes is that you can go with a bigger travel bike. You can go with bigger wheels, and you can have just as much fun as you would with a non-e-bike with maybe a smaller set of tires. And then, of course, as we always like to do, cover the full range, our new downhill bikes. So these are one of the bikes we featured at Outdoor Demo. Had many of our people out there riding these around the trails. Just 4 different models, I believe, coming in for downhill bikes. We're really excited about having these online. So I think that's really it for our lineup. Of course, the big things are the N-tube batteries, the PWX motor, and then the new naming convention for Sduro and Xduro. So if you need more information, pricing, where to find your local dealer, go to haibike.com.
Perfect. Great. Thanks, Ken.
All right, thank you.